Hi, Austin. It's July 20th. You are 4 months, 1 week, and 2 days, and we are going to give you your first bite of cereal. You ready, honey? Open up. You can do it. You want to try it? What do you think? What do you think?
It's simple and easy. So find out if you're eligible to take advantage of today's incredibly low interest rates and start saving money every month on your mortgage. Call Quicken Loans today or go to
Does it taste good? You think it tastes yummy, huh? What do you think, Austin? What do you think, huh? You want to try another bite? You want some more? Ready?
We all came here to be in paradise. You have turned this into hell. Bachelor Paradise premieres Tuesday, August 2nd on ABC.
What do you think? What do you think about it? Not quite sure, huh? You're not quite sure, are you? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.